Hi, welcome back to my channel and happy St. Patrick's Day. Today I'm going to show you how to make Shamrock Sugar Cookies. They're buttery and flavorful sugar cookies that are colored green and shaped like shamrocks. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Be sure to subscribe for new videos every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. So let's get started. To make the sugar cookie dough, in a medium bowl, add in the flour, baking soda, and salt. Whisk them until they're combined. And set it aside for now. Then into a large bowl, add in the softened butter and sugar, and beat them with an electric mixer just until they're combined. Don't cream it or it adds air into the mixture, which causes the cookies to spread in the oven. So just cream it for a very short amount of time or mix just until combined. Then add in the egg and vanilla extract and mix them in until they're combined. Again, don't cream the mixture. Then add in the dry ingredients and mix them in by hand until it's mostly combined. Then add in the blue food coloring and green food coloring. Continue mixing it. Then use your hands to bring it together into a dough. Wrap the dough in plastic wrap and refrigerate it for at least an hour or overnight until it's well chilled. When you're just about ready to move on, preheat the oven to 375 degrees. Remove the chilled dough from the fridge. Lightly flour the work surface. And roll out the dough until it's about 1/4 inch thick. Start by doing small rolls back and forth to get it started. Then keep rolling it out. Then use a small heart-shaped cookie cutter and cut out a bunch of heart shapes. Then place them onto an ungreased sheet pan, placing 3 of the heart shapes right next to each other to make the leaves of the shamrocks. Then take a small amount of the dough and roll it into a thin snake. Place one end into the center of the hearts. Then if you like, let it curve. Do that for the rest of them. Then bake them in the oven for 6 to 8 minutes until they're set but not browned. They will harden as they cool. Try not to overbake them or they will come out really crispy instead of chewy in the middle, unless you like your cookies really crisp. When they're done, remove them from the oven and let them cool in the pan for 2 minutes. Then transfer them to a cooling rack and let them cool completely. Then keep going until all the dough is used up. And that's how to make Shamrock Sugar Cookies. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a like and check out my channel for many more videos and subscribe to my channel for more to come. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.